Maatjies, welkom bij Storietyd en vandaag is first numbers. A hippo is driving, but where has he gone? He's in the big fire engine. Try to count one. One. The city is sunny. The bright sky is blue. How many planes can you see? There are two. One, two. Animals play at the beach by the sea. Some boats sail away. Can you try to find three? One, two, three. The bears splash in rushing waves down by the shore. Mummy and Daddy with the two kids make four. One, two, three, four. It's muddy outside, so the French squelch and dive. Count all the elephants till you find five. One, two, three, four, five. The zebras are doing so many cool tricks. They're all having lots of fun. Can you count six? One, two, three, four, five, six. The race is today and it starts at 11. Lots of cars zoom around the track. They are seven. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yeah, quack, quack, quack. Yeah. The crowd shouts and claps. Can you see who is late? A sloth joins the big group of fans to make eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Hooray! At night time, the moon starts to shimmer and shine. The penguins are playing. Can you see all nine? Number 9, yes. 10. Where's 10? Where's number 10? That's number 9. Where's number 10? That's number 9. Yes, well done. Yes, a snowball. They're looking for stars to see the gaze up. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the penguins and the stars. Wow! Can you press the star button for us? Well done!